Welcome to Seed to Life. In my last video on making homemade herbal oil from homegrown herbs, I used one key ingredient and that was Bhringaraj leaves. Bhringaraj or Maka or false daisy, yerba, tea tago has several other names. The botanical name of this plant is Eclipta prostrata. Bhringaraj has a special place in ancient Indian medicine because of its positive effects on hair and skin. But the benefits are not limited to only skin and hair. The parts of this weedy plant are used as a traditional remedy for several other health conditions. Unfortunately, like many other herbal medicines, the research on Bhringaraj plant is limited and not very sophisticated. Here are some possible health benefits of Bhringaraj. Oils infused with the goodness of Bhringaraj leaves are used to resolve hair problems like hair loss, dryness of hair, scalp issues. A good head massage with this oil acts as a great stress buster and cures sleep troubles. Bhringaraj leaves paste or oil is applied on the skin to treat various skin conditions like skin blisters and fungal infections. Bhringaraj leaves powder, also known as churna, is also used in some Ayurvedic formulations to treat jaundice and stomach ulcers. It is also used as a traditional remedy for treating loose motions. There are various other claimed benefits of Bhringaraj. In my personal experience, it definitely helps to improve hair health, but I'm not sure if there are some side effects of taking Bhringaraj orally. Now let's find out more about Bhringaraj plants. Bhringaraj plants grow abundantly in Southeast Asian countries like India, Nepal, China, Brazil, and Thailand. These plants are vigorous growers. I started my first plant in Aero Garden as currently it is winter and the weather outside is still very cold. I know that Bhringaraj plants are hardy and they grow in various climates including tropical, subtropical and temperate. But they grow the best at temperatures between 25 to 35 degrees Celsius or 77 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit. You can grow Bhringaraj plants from both seeds and cuttings. If the weather is not extreme in your region, then I think they will easily manage to self-propagate from the existing plants. I started a couple of seeds in the Aero Garden and both the seeds germinated in just 3 to 5 days. I moved one of the seedlings to a plastic cup to allow the other one grow freely. You can see the difference. The Aero Garden plant really took off and grew huge. Bhringaraj plants like moist, clay-like soil. Drainage is not a big issue like other plants and these plants can survive in waterlogged soil. I didn't get a chance to move the other plant to a bigger pot sooner and that one didn't grow much at first. Soon the plants started developing tiny white flowers. It was time to harvest the leaves and move the plants outdoors so that pollination can happen effortlessly. As I harvested leaves, I kept the thicker stems in some water. Just in 3 to 5 days, they grew beautiful healthy roots. Almost all stems grew roots on them. So it is very easy to grow these plants from stems. I use the leaves to make hair oil. You can check out my previous video to know how. Let's move these plants to the pots now. The root system of Bhringaraj is very extensive and strong. As these plants are not fussy, you do not need any special soil, but if the soil stays moist, the plants will grow better. You can use any all-purpose fertilizer. The plants that are grown in optimal conditions grow very long and broad leaves, and that is what we want. Bhringaraj plants are self-pollinating plants. There are no separate male and female plants. You can get the seeds from the dried fertilized flowers. Usually the seeds are carried by wind resulting in new plants. And that is it for now. I hope you found this information useful and would love to grow these plants. A big thanks for watching my videos. Subscribe and click the bell icon to stay connected. Social media links are posted in the description box. Feel free to reach out to me with your comments, suggestions, and don't forget to share my videos if you like them. Thank you again. See you soon.